What's going on, y'all? Welcome to our channel, MF Cooking. Today we're making pork belly burnt ends. I know it's grill season, but we're making these in the oven. Let's get cooking. For this recipe, you need pork belly, the barbecue sauce of your choice, liquid smoke, honey, mustard, the barbecue rub of your choice. For our barbecue rub recipe, you can visit our blog. The link will be available in the description below. You will also need brown sugar and butter. Begin by cubing the pork belly into 1-inch thick cubes. Next, we're gonna add mustard as a binder, and since we're making these in the oven, to achieve that smoky flavor you would get from the smoker, we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of liquid smoke. Season with barbecue rub. Place the pork belly meat side down on a baking sheet lined with a wire rack. We're gonna bake these low and slow at 275 degrees for 3 hours. After 3 hours, we're gonna transfer our pork belly into an aluminum pan. Add 3 tablespoons of butter. Drizzle over some honey. Add brown sugar. Add a generous amount of barbecue sauce. Bake for another 30 minutes. And there you have it, pork belly burnt ends. We hope y'all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And remember to tell everybody you know, them MFers be cooking.